Yo, what is good everybody, and welcome along to episode 2 of our mid-tempo track from scratch series. Today we're going to be focusing on the build-up and possibly the pre-drop. If you are new to this series, last week I dropped episode 1, which was the intro, which is what I've got in front of me here. We're going to listen to it first before we get started on the build-up. And yeah, good times. This is what we made last week. Anyway, build-up time. What are we going to do? We're going to add some effects first and then do something low-passed and have a pluck lead over the top of it, more build-up instruments, and we'll go from there. We could use our exhale effects, which we used last time. Yeah, that works too well. I want a fat impact, so I'm thinking kick, reverb. We'll use that one. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do. A little bit of EQ, we want a low end reverb. No delay. Oh no, we want no pre-delay I should say. We want a bit of decay. Okay, we're gonna have something low pass. I'm not sure whether it's a bass or a plucky element, and whether we want to do the same pattern, because it might get a bit too repetitive, but we will see. Okay, get that low pass, maybe. Do-do-do. That could work. We have the erosion effect, which might sound better without for this bit. Okay, and we want some kind of time keeper. That again? And then something needs to kick in here. I do know what kind of sound I want for that. It's a certain kick. No, it's a certain 808, my bad. But we are in E, so this needs to go down one semitone. Maybe a lower note. And then maybe this lead that we've got. Or we could accentuate this by just having it on the notes that go to F. Is it going to sound too weird? And we do need the low pass as well, otherwise it's going to stand out a little bit too much, I think. And then it kicks in with this pattern. I think this is gonna work. We need some fat kick there. Maybe Maybe we actually steal the original kick that we have in our verse. Paste it there. Oh my god, the build's longer than the actual intro and verse. Shit, I'm moving a little bit too long for a build. Maybe we just move this across and this section can be moved over. It's just too long for a build. That's uneven. What? Something like that. I think I put it in the wrong place. Oops. I forgot what I said before. Fuck! A little bit of delay on the bass. We could even merge those two layers together. I want to tweak the low pass. There we go. Some glitch, I don't know. We need so many rises. Oh boy, we need the hi-hat to do. No, wrong spot, there we go. Maybe super subtle kick on the back end, but then we drop it in volume. Yep, super subtle. Okay, more glitches, more glitches, more rises, more rises. Let's go! What was that? Textures. Might be a little bit too weird. Oh my god. Oh my god, this could be it. Okay, we need to move everything back. I just had a brilliant idea. Famous last words. It's not brilliant, turns out shit. Fuck, I forgot my idea. No, I haven't. Yes. No. Yes. Everything. Fuck off there. Okay, hi-hat can fuck off. Okay. Fuck! Why? How does it go? Shit. No, don't lose this idea, it's good. One more there. Boom! That could be a problem. pitch is embedded in the sample. What was I saying before? More rises before I got completely sidetracked. I wonder if we could foreshadow the did. Yeah, let's try that. But I do want to add a couple more rises. Okay, we want kind of like a low-end pluck element. We want this to transform into a low-end pluck. I should have really figured out what note to boost before just like picking a random frequency and going, yay! Every frequency is a note, or most frequencies are notes. Yeah, imagine 71 hertz is just like a weird C sharp D combination. C sharp sharp. What are we in? What do we need to boost around? Like 170. So is there a E around 170? Oh my god, I was almost on the money. 163. Shit, I was close without intentionally doing that. Okay, we want this to be plucky, so we're gonna add some compression. Shit! Okay, it might be a bit too much low end. That is not ideal. We're gonna low pass this? Yeah, probably. A little bit of reverb, a little bit of low pass, a little bit of... There's way too many effects on this channel. And we're going to kind of work them around this little pattern here because I feel like it's a bit too stock, so needs a little bit variation. So we just kind of craft some glitches around that. Okay, definitely going to have to get rid of that resonant frequency. It's happening. Or we could just turn down the frequency shift because that's the one that's causing it. One there, one there. Laters and laters. That's too much. We have it on, but we will change the amount, increase it, and then we'll also increase the frequency, delete that automation, and maybe 3? Oh, it needs to come in way sooner. Yeah, that's a solid build up. Really happy with that. Let's give it a final listen, wrap up the episode, and then I scheme what to do next time for the drop. I reckon a lot of distortion is going to come into play. And yeah, hopefully you guys have enjoyed. I'll catch you next time for the all-important drop episode. It's gonna slap.